In the New Mexico Badlands, there is an area that is sacred to the Navajo people. Guarded by pastures and prairies, it takes a little work to get there, but it's a true photographer's paradise. Welcome to the Valley of Dreams, where compositions are endless and great photographs await. And at night, when the stars come out to play, it's unbelievable.
Hey everybody, Tony and Skylar and Jim with 319 Photography. We're out here in the gorgeous Valley of the Dreams, and we want to invite you to join us for a workshop that will be unforgettable in September, but I'm going to let these guys talk about it. Jim?
So it's September 11th through the 13th, 2020. This is an exclusive opportunity for you to come to a place that almost no one gets to. It is a sacred land that is amazing and stunning.
Yeah, we have two amazing locations picked out with any number of compositions we can shoot. Obviously here at Valley of Dreams as well as SHIPROCK, so we really know that you're not going to be disappointed with what you get to experience out here.
For more information, check out our website at 319photography.com/workshops. We really want you to join us and have an amazing time with us and Navajo Tours USA. We'll see you in September.
See you then.
One take, Tony.
One take done.
One take, Tony.
All right.
One take, Tony. All
We don't
right,
need a script.
let's watch it back. Let's watch it back.